southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:30 a.m. At 1:28 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Carteret, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Rocky Hill, Millstone, Colonia, Kingston, Martinsville, North Brunswick Township and Kendall Park. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.